Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe at the minute. Now in this video, if you've not seen my previous video actually, which I'll link up here with the new return to home features in the latest DJi firmware update, check it out. In this video we're going to dig a little bit deeper into one of them options, which is the Descend option. Nobody seems to know what this option is for or what actually happens when you select this. So in this video we're going to do something really stupid that please don't try at home. We're going to disconnect the controller to initiate the Descend return to home function and actually find out what this does. So stay around, you're not going to want to miss this. Let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing we need to change is the return to home setting and put it into descend mode. Now let's take off and get this little bird into the sky. We are going to use this secluded Roman lane here in the UK to test out the new descend feature. It's worth noting at this time we don't know what is exactly going to happen to the drone when descend mode is activated. So we got the drone up to a good altitude and I've made sure the drone is directly above the lane. Now whatever you do, don't try this at home. But let's turn off the controller and see what happens. So signal is lost and hopefully the return to home descend function kicks in. And there you go, the drone unsurprisingly descends, but will it land? And yes, it lands straight down. Okay guys, so there you have it. The descend option is actually a forced landing setting. I would highly advise not using this option because regardless of what's below the drone is going to crash into it. If you're going to land in a tree or on a road or in a bush, it's going to land regardless. If you find yourself needing to emergency land or crash avoidance, I'll link two videos at the end of this video that I've made myself, which you manually land a drone and can recover later, which is a much better way of recovering your drone in one piece. Also, please do not disconnect your controller from the drone. I have years of experience flying radio controlled helicopters and drones and actually knew what was going to happen, so please don't disconnect your controller from the drone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. I'm not sure which side it is. And if you're new to my channel, want to see more content, hit that subscribe button and bell notice so you get notified of me latest video. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe out there and safe flying, guys.